Previously, we began our journey on the island of Java, starting in Malang, where we explored some of the island's most stunning natural landscapes. In this video, we continue our adventure, making our way to the vibrant city of Jogja. Here, we immerse ourselves in the local art scene, discover more of Java's breathtaking natural wonders, and visit some of the world's most renowned temples. You ready to go to Yogyakarta? After spending a few days in Malang, it was time to head to our next destination, Jogja. We took a direct train from Malang, and I'd highly recommend doing the same. The tickets were super easy to book online, and the ride offered a fantastic way to take in Java's scenic countryside. One of the things that Sandra was absolutely set on doing in Indonesia was taking a batik class. It didn't matter where, just that at some point in our trip, we'd sit down and try it. And honestly, that makes perfect sense. Sandra has always been into sewing and tailoring, so this was right up her alley. Batik is a traditional Indonesian fabric dyeing technique that uses wax that create patterns. The wax resists the dye, so when the fabric is colored, the waxed areas stay untouched, forming these beautiful designs. You'll see batik everywhere in Indonesia. It's worn by both men and women, but it's most commonly associated with Java, where the art form has deep cultural roots. To be honest, I do enjoy artsy activities, but I wasn't sure if I could justify the cost. It's one of those things where you think, is this really worth paying for, or will I actually get much out of it? But then something cool kind of happened. I started to really get into it. At first, I was overthinking every little movement, worried I'd mess up my design. But once I stopped stressing and just went with it, it actually became really relaxing. There's something satisfying about seeing the whole process come together. Like, you start with a blank piece of fabric, you carefully paint on the wax, and then suddenly, boom, the colors bring it to life. Sometimes, I forget how much I enjoy being creative until I'm actually doing it. This was one of those moments. This was definitely one of those activities that surprised me. I came in skeptical, but I left feeling that it was completely worth it. It was refreshing to just focus on the present. No planning, no thinking about the next thing, just creating. Later that afternoon, we joined a free walking tour along Malioboro, the main street in Jogja. This place never slows down. It's busy 24/7 with people, shops, and food stalls, all set against a mix of old Dutch colonial buildings. If you're in Jogja and want to shop or eat, this is where you go.
Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be.
Bamboo?
Maybe.
You really want a bamboo?
Let's see the inside. There's two with bamboo.
The tour was actually pretty cool. We picked up some fun facts about Javanese culture and learned what makes Jogja stand out from the rest of Indonesia. It turns out it's the only region in the country with an officially recognized monarchy, which I had no idea about, but it definitely adds to the city's unique vibe.
Want to try the traditional drinks now?
How is it?
Try this.
But spicy. It's spicy. It's like honey sweet. Okay. Want to?
Try.
What is actually nice? Turmeric and then
ginger?
Ginger, right?
The ginger is like black pepper, I think. Turmeric. And definitely honey.
Wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? The feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you still got the time, I'd like to stick around.
Liking your boots?
Today we're going to Jomblang cave. We're gonna be repelled 60 meters in the cave, and then I think we walk in the cave, and then they're supposed to come the heavenly lights in the cave from the top. We got our shoes on, our booties. You have to. I think it's a must. You cannot do it without a boot. Yes. And then we're gonna get a helmet over there.
Excited?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Wish us luck. In case they drop you 60 meters down, that helmet will protect you.
Excited? Going down soon.
Yeah.
What speed do you want to go? Fast?
Slow.
We're not doing slow. We can get medium or fast.
Medium it is. Is the experience going to be over too fast?
We have the other ones.
What do you want to do? Like a drop? Free drop?
Bungee jump.
Yeah.
Almost there.
Don't remind me.
How are you gonna enjoy it then?
I'll just skip it and go straight for lunch.
Relax. You excited?
Anymore.
Wow, I can't even see the bottom. Wow, look how deep it is. Wow. It's secure, right?
Like that.
Yeah. 1 second. Look at the camera. Hello. Hi.
Yo! Alright, ready? Whoa! Oh!
Wow.
We're stuck!
Don't say that. I forgot to make a video with all my nerves. Made a picture.
Then up position.
Nice! Good landing. Rope break! You the path. Oh, it's slippery. Yeah, I would use the rope. Maybe 2 hands. Hurry up, they're catching us. Wow, there's like nothing behind you. Apparently we just walk into
In the darkness.
there somewhere.
They say go to the light. I don't see light.
There's no
Light
light.
is up there.
But lucky for us, I brought just a headlamp that I have not used in 6 months. The first time. Ow. I'm like a miner. Wow. Into the light. Oh, he has a light. Oh, wow. I feel like a lighthouse. This is so cool. This is so much fun. I can't even see you. Where are you? There you are.
You're blind now.
Oh my god. Oh, there's steps. Oh man, I wish someone just stood somewhere and didn't say anything. Just scared people once in a while.
Yeah, you know how many people with a heart attack would be there on the floor, including me.
It'd be way cooler if they had some skulls around. I have some suggestions. I hope there's a suggestion box. I feel like it's getting less bright.
Could be. Maybe
I've never changed the batteries in these things.
You tell me that now in a pitch black cave.
I got this like a year ago, maybe 2.
In the dollar store.
Oh, there's a guide. Right to your left.
What?
Just kidding.
Yeah, good morning when we needed you.
Alright, we made it. Time for lunch. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait. Wait.
This way we're going up here.
Oh,
What?
that's supposed to be loose?
Don't even say it. Don't even say it. It's fine, sorry. It's fine. Don't joke.
Carrying a lot of loose things. Wait, is that unbuckled out of yours?
Sorry. Okay, once I have a handful, I'm gonna smack you. Honestly.
Alright, we made it.
And then I trip here.
How many people did you count?
I think I counted 30 people.
Wow.
Hold ourselves up. And some rice, vegetables, chicken, and tempeh or tofu.
Wow, looks good.
Right? We've got beans, carrots, chicken, tofu.
Whoa, cliff dive. You too, right? Ready for our next location?
Yes. Lazy river.
Going caving. Second cave?
Let's stand up. It's okay.
Wow. Back of a truck. Cross that off the list too.
That was another fun ride. One of the things I wanted to do, drive in the back of a truck. Check.
One more different type of transportation.
Yes.
Oh, look, the tubes. Going tubing.
Can't go anywhere. No, I like this one.
Gosh.
I keep this.
Right there, the flashlight, the black thing, hanging upside down. Comfortable?
Oh, sweet.
1, 2, 3, go! Hey, go!
Wow, you jumped too.
I just jumped. I just got it. I jumped. Oh, so high.
Alright, have fun? Yes. Alright, I think that's the day.
No questions asked. I'm just hanging around.
Okay.
I sit right here. I'm just
What's
spending
interesting about Canada?
You have lots of snow.
We have lots of snow in the winter, lots of people, mountains, lakes.
Oh, okay, favorite food.
Favorite food?
Yes.
Poutine. Poutine is like French fries with cheese and gravy on top. That's famous, right? Canada?
Have you ever visited here or
No,
first
this is our
time?
first time.
First time. Oh, yeah. Are you happy here?
Yes, I'm very happy here. Yes. Now my question is, why are you asking questions to people?
Because I wanna talk with you. You're so beautiful.
You do a school project? For school you have to talk to people?
Yeah, like some like that. But this is not school from lesson.
Pardon?
Lesson, not
Like course, like
like
course.
course.
Oh, okay. Is it to practice your English? You guys are doing very well.
Wow, thank
Right?
you.
Again, they're doing very well.
Close.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would say welcome to Borobudur Temple. and my name is Johan, and I'm your tour guide today. I will take you explore the temple from the ground until the temple structure. And then the third level, so rupa ada two situation when I already control my desire, release my desire, and I reset nirvana.
Terima kasih.
Dedicated, you must teaching to everyone. Next one is mean circle of life. If you can turning the circle of life, your life will be balanced. Some people say look like 8 number, yin yang, infinity number.
This temple was definitely something special. I just wish I had appreciated it more in the moment. I think I was feeling a bit templed out after seeing so many over the past few months. That said, you can really feel the grandeur of this place. It's obvious why it's one of the most visited spots in Java. Also, gotta give credit where it's due, Johan did an amazing job explaining the Buddha's life story. I've heard it a few times before, but his explanation was by far the clearest. It actually made sense and I was able to follow along so much better. Next up was Prambanan Temple, a massive Hindu temple complex dating all the way back in the 9th century. Unlike Borobudur, this one is still a work in progress. Many of the temples are still being pieced back together, which is basically like doing a temple jigsaw puzzle, but times 244. The real highlight of this visit, though, was our tour guide. I wish I could remember his name because he was seriously knowledgeable about the history of this place and had so many interesting facts to share. Personally, I love anything to do with ancient history and world religions, so I was completely hooked on everything he was saying. One of the interesting facts he shared was that apparently Hindu temples are littered with male and female genitalia symbols. It symbolizes the union of male and female principles and the totality of existence. But to be honest, I'm guilty of giggling over that because I'm a child and it was so unexpected. Now, I don't think I can see Hindu temples the same.
Ready to go? Looking like a half-wrapped mummy.
Oh.
Go to the light. And you're going the wrong way. Look at me. I'm a lighthouse. Whee! I can't, I'm not even pointing down.
What are those?